Hey, this is Linda Welsh from Linda Welsh Realty Group. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to talk to you buyers and sellers out there, but specifically to sellers on how to prepare your home for sale. We are getting into the summer. I think either today or tomorrow is the first day of summer. So it's a busy time of the year for people who are planning on moving. And people are always asking, what do I need to do to get my house ready? Well, first of all, you're going to want to make sure that small repairs are done. So a lot of times we live in our house, but we don't necessarily look at them as an outsider might look at our house. So if you have not walked through your house and made a list of all those little things that need to be done, let's say things like making sure that your toilet flapper isn't running and you're not wasting water there. Make sure that your paint is touched up. Make sure that that all of your things that are around the house that are not working are back in order. You'll want to make sure your appliances are working properly. You want to make sure your HVAC is serviced. You'll want to make sure that any flooring issues are touched up, etc., etc. So look at your home with a key eye. One of the tricks I like to use is to actually take a photo of your own house and look through it, the eyes of the lens at your home. Rather than just living in it every day, we tend to not see things that other people might see. So number one is that. Number two is to sort of get your house ready by staging it appropriately. That would mean make sure that you have decluttered. Make sure if you need some help with somebody to organize some things that you get somebody to help you. We can also refer you some people to do that as well. And that you declutter and clean off your countertops and all the things in your bathroom that are cluttering up your shower and your countertops. Make sure that you put away small appliances that you don't need. A few things out is great. You can leave out a nice bowl of fruit. You can leave out your toaster if you want to, your coffee maker, things of that sort. But get rid of a lot of the extras that are sitting out on your countertops that kind of clutter up the area, so that people can really see your home for what it is and not your stuff. The other thing to do is to maybe think about depersonalizing some of those things that are on the wall. A photo here or there is fine. If you've got a full wall of family photos, you may want to pare those down. People have to be able to walk into a home and be able to envision that this is a home that they can live in. So they have to see themselves in the home. Lastly, you need to think about pets and kids. So if you have animal bowls and dog beds, etc., you have high chairs and toys everywhere, make sure that those are picked up for showings and for photos ahead of time, and especially when you're going to be having open houses and people to come through either a realtor tour or something of the sort. You'll want to make sure that your home is as clutter-free as possible. I know it's hard to do sometimes because we live in our homes, but at the same time, you want to appeal to the masses. So again, this is Linda Welsh and Linda Welsh Realty Group. We're glad to help you sell your home, and we would love to give you some pointers. So if you need somebody to come over and take a look and give you a different point of view or an eye to that, we would love to be that person for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.